Follow your own destiny, follow your own intuition. Just go with what you feel, regardless of everyone interpretation of your being. Go. There's something in this. That's your higher. There's the inner you are being. There's like a super you existing, coexisting in you that possesses a higher level of consciousness that you are unconsciously aware of, and that thing talks to us. You have to follow that. You have to follow that voice. You have to follow that rhythm. You have to follow that song. You have to follow that feeling. You have to follow that emotion. And if you want something, you have to go after it. You just have to want it and want it. You have to want it desperately.